What's going on, everybody? Today we're working on this 1982 Hutch Pro Racer. Now this bike we ended up finding on the way to work at a yard sale for 60 bucks. It came with everything that you see here except for the cranks. These are the third generation profile square cranks that I got from a bike at another flea market for 60 bucks as well. The handlebars, don't ask me where those came from. These are some old profile handlebars that I found in the parts bin. So in this video you're going to actually see me redoing this bike from the ground up. I hope you enjoy. Check it out. As you can see, these spokes are in really rusty shape, and these rims, these are some old Araya 7C rims, if I recall correctly. So we've got an old Susie hub here, and I don't know if that hub, that 3 is 1983, but it's a good looking hub. It'll look great after we clean it up. We've got over $10,000 worth of spokes, and it blows my mind that every time it seems like I go to build another set of wheels that I don't have the spokes in stock. So I need to drive to J&B and go pick up some spokes so I can get these wheels built. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, I am back with the spokes. Let's get started on building this wheel. Now before I get this bike built, I'm going to get some cleaner and I'm going to clean up this goo, and I'm going to kind of clean up with the paint a little bit. Now I normally don't do this, but I think in this case this is going to be the best thing to use because there's a lot of places where the paint is missing and such. So I'm actually going to use some WD-40 to remove some of this goo and it'll give the paint a nice shine, and then afterwards I can put some protective coating on this. Now whatever you do not want to get any polish. You don't want to get the WD-40, no cleaners on the Hutch decal, because the way that this decal is, the paint is on top of the decal itself, and what will happen is it will, well, you'll clean it right off, and we don't want to do that. So let's clean this up and see how it looks. Going to kind of put this on there, and it takes a couple of minutes for the WD-40 to start to break down whatever is on this glue. I can use my fingernail to kind of give it a little head start, because your fingernail won't scratch the paint. But you know what, we'll just let that kind of do its magic, and it's coming off. And there we are. Whatever it is almost all the way off. It's probably from an old sticker that was on there that came off. Okay, so remember, you don't want to get any on the decal, so we're going to be very careful about this. And like I said, it gives it a nice little shine. Try not to touch the decal even with your fingers. And you can kind of wipe some of the excess off if you'd like. But like I said, it does give the paint a nice shine that will actually last for a while. we have on this bike is we've got a bent spider. So they actually make a special tool specifically for this spider on these old BMX bikes. And that tool is called a hammer. Let's straighten the spider. It's pretty good. This is an absolute amazing bike. Hutch was the absolute pinnacle of BMX back in the day, and we're really lucky to actually have this. So now, if you liked this video, please leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your friends. Check out some of the other videos on the corner of the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.